Welcome, man, to alphamantraining.com. You will die. You know, if you will not approach girls, you will die and will not reproduce. If you will not close girls, you will die and you will not fuck them. You need to close girls on the same day. You need to close clients on the same day. How we will do that? We need good preparation. First of all, we need good preparation. How we can prepare? You need to read my book, my personal life story, How to Become an Alpha Man. Go to alphamantraining.com, add to cart this book, and read carefully. Read carefully all my life stories, with photos, with videos, how I became an alpha male. And you will get the alpha male's mindset. Mindset is the most important thing. If you will not care mindset, you will die. For example, one of our client recently became so negative. Like we said him, you need to choose words. The difference between a man and a boy, a man takes responsibility for the words what he says. So you need to take responsibility for the words what you say, and choose positive words. Choose positive people around you. No negativity allowed. No limits. No limits. If you have people around you who set up limits, you just can go talk to her and just get a number. This is a limit. But if you have an alpha man training coach who says, but there is no limits, you can approach a girl and close her on the same day, that kind of people should be around you, should surround you. And that's the main point. Or so So choose the people who surrounds you, and that's